Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change or edit profile name on Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser, then click on this one profile icon and then click settings gear icon. In the Edge settings beside profile, click on this one triple dot menu. Select here edit option. Here you can change the name of profile. In case you want to change the profile icon also, select a icon from this one list and then click on this one update button. This will change profile name on your Edge browser